Hey, this is Prove It Bragger Reviews, and today we're taking a look at the Wrangler Astral 20-inch hard-sided carry-on. It's a hard shell carry-on, but still pretty lightweight. It's got the handle that extends right there. Swivels all the way around, pull in any direction or angle. Top handle, side handle. Handle a little bit of abuse too. Open it up. You have your main compartment here with this strap, and you have this compartment here that zips up. Now, the real feature that made me want to buy this, and I was happily surprised at how well it worked, was this feature right here. And it's a cup holder. And that expands out. It'll hold a decent sized drink. There's plenty of times when you're going through the airport and you don't have enough hands to carry everything, especially if your drink is one of those things. So to be able to shove your bottle of Coke or Pepsi or coffee or whatever you want in there, free up that hand, and be able to carry your phone or whatever else you need to have in your hand while you're boarding the plane, that's a great feature to have. And one additional thing it does have, if you look closely here, is there is a USB and a USB-C port right there. Now those are actually just the outlets. To use them, you have to put a battery pack of some kind on the inside and hook it up to them. You unzip that. Right here you'll see there's a little pouch. Your battery pack fits in there, Velcro's in there, and there's a cord that'll hook that outlet up to your battery pack. So it does not come with that battery pack, but it does come with the hookups for you to be able to use that.
Now for a durability test.